I want your answers multiplied or rounded to the decimal value. Okay. So make sure you go all the way to the decimal value. Don't stop at terms of pi. A through D. Talk to your partner. I should see hands up if there are questions. Griselda, I'm coming. Part A, get started. Yes, I'm coming to you. Say it again. Okay, so think about it. What does this represent? If this is my lateral surface area, what is that covering? No. What does the lateral surface area include? The sides. So if I'm just covering the sides, am I covering the entire roll of paper towels? No, I'm only covering the sides. So I'm not including the bases. So is that enough to cover the entire? It's not, because it only covers the sides. Very good. Yes, sir. Multiply that. Yes, I want the decimal answer. Okay, so this answer that you gave in part A says lateral surface area, right? What does that mean? Lateral surface area includes the bases? No. No. What is lateral? So I'm just talking about, starts with an S. Good guess. The sides. Remember? So I'm only talking about the sides. So this value that we got for part A only covers the sides of this paper towel roll. Is that covering the entire thing? No, it's only covering the sides. What am I missing? The bases. So my answer, is this enough to cover the entire roll? No, because this only covers the sides, and I'm not including the bases. A through D. A through D. Okay, this part B say. Okay. So my answer to part A represents the what? You have 3 minutes. 3 more minutes before we check it. What is this? I mean, in part A, we found the lateral surface area. What does that mean? I'm talking about the sides only, right? What am I not including when I only talk about the sides? Not perimeter, yes ma'am. She needs to go to the office. Michelle? If I'm only, you said lateral, I'm talking about the side, right? So I'm not including the bases. So if this only covers the sides, if I'm looking at this paper towel roll, I'm only putting plastic around the sides. Is that covering everything? No. And I'm not including the bases. I'm hearing more conversation. I don't know. Take a step just in case. I still see blank papers. We're not finished through D. Make sure your conversations are about the work. Hold your partner accountable for staying on task. I don't know. It's the same concept. Word and reverse. So if you write out the whole thing, first you find the so make sure you use the phone. over, and then C is a setup they get to first. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Mel.
Yeah.
Try it again. Mel.
Yeah.
That's better. Take a look at part A. Part A asks you to find the lateral surface area. So when you plug in the radius, the 6 inches represents the diameter. The radius is half of that, so it's 3 inches. We know 13 inches is my height. Plug in my values, and you should get 245.04 inches squared. Okay. Part B, it says, is my answer here enough to cover the entire road? Okay. Part A asks me about lateral surface area. What does lateral surface area mean I'm referring to? What am I talking about when I say that? David? The sides only. So if am I covering the entire roll, that would mean I need everything covered with plastic, and I'm not, ladies. I'm only covering the sides. So it is not enough because we're only covering the sides and we're not including what? The bases. Okay, so the bases are not included when we're talking about lateral surface area. For part C, it says, what do we need to include? We just said that. We need the area of the 2 bases. Again, this is a time where if you did not have it or you did not get to this point, you're writing it or correcting it on your paper. There's no reason why I should see a blank page for part C when the answer is there and we're discussing it. And then part D asks you to find the area of the minimum amount to cover the entire paper towel roll, which means I'm talking about total surface area. And if you plug in your values correctly, that is what you should have gotten. Questions to this point?